In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on toolbars and restore the menu bar in AutoCAD if they've disappeared from your workspace. This is a common issue and thankfully it's very easy to fix. Start by going to the command line and typing menu bar, then press enter. When prompted, enter 1 and press enter again. This will restore the classic menu bar at the top of the screen. Once it appears, click Tools, then Toolbars, and choose the toolbars you want to display. Another quick method is to right-click on any visible toolbar or empty toolbar area. A list of available toolbars will appear, allowing you to enable or disable them instantly. You can also type toolbar into the command line and press enter. Enter the name of the toolbar you want, such as draw or modify, then choose show to display it. These methods make it easy to customize your workspace and bring back the tools you use most often. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more AutoCAD tips and tutorials.